Hi guys, what's up? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix a frozen or unresponsive iPhone 10 screen. You can see that the screen of your iPhone 10 become unresponsive sometimes. You're using your iPhone 10 and it suddenly stops and become unresponsive sometimes. There may be various reasons behind such unresponsiveness of the screen in your iPhone. If you are ever in this kind of situation, today I'm gonna tell you how you can fix this problem. Without wasting any time, guys, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to press the volume up button and then the volume down button, and then you're going to hold your power button for some seconds until you see the Apple logo. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, and 3. Until you see the Apple logo, keep holding it. Okay, here you go. Now you can leave the power button and wait for your iPhone to be restarted. And now your unresponsive screen should be working fine. It's that simple, guys. Hope you like this video, guys. Please subscribe to our channel, UnlockBoot. Thank you very much and see you next time.